Welcome to my channel. Today I will fix my extension cable. That is a 10-3 gauge. The male plug I already fixed it before, and I bought a 20 amps 125 volts male plug, and then the female is already loose, there. So I will use this box. These are I took it from some of the house I'm remodeling. This is for 20 amps 120 volts, both of them. The other one is weather resistant. You can see the WR and a tamper resistant. And when you see that T like that, that means it's a 20 amps receptacle. So I'm using this one there, but of course you will connect the this main to the line and this load to the other outlet, to the other receptacle. Since they are big, I cannot insert to those all over there, so I made a pigtail like that, and I will use a wire nut. So of course wire nut will go to black to black. You have to twist it until it will do that thing. See that, like a rope there. And then the other one is white to white. There, see? And then you have to connect the ground to the box like that. So I'm using a watertight connector there, since this is only half-inch inside and this is like 9/16. I shave a little bit to insert in there. So there, and so we have to push this like that, push this thing there, and then just there, like that, and then instead of using this and I need to put another cover, I use this and then just grind, because this is a double circle like that, so I grind it just to fit this rectangular receptacle. Yeah, and then there. Okay, so when you have a heavy duty extension cord like this, don't throw it, and change the male plug and the female. You can buy the male and female at your local hardware like Home Depot, Ace, Lowe's, something like that, or electrical, or any electrical store. See, in my case, I'm just using whatever I have here. I did not bought all of this. When I remodel house, I keep the thing that I think I can use it later on. Okay, so there, see there, so even they hold it like that, it will not separate from the box, and this one, as you can see there, this is a Habel or Ubel brand. These are heavy duty brand. I don't know how you pronounce this, Habel or Ubel. Just correct me if I'm wrong. There, and see that this means that you cannot put it on 15 amps. This is for 20 amps, just like that. I have a 20 amps outlet receptacle here in my house, so I will use it. Okay, we will use this tester. This tester, you will see if you have a correct what you call connection, like that. Okay, as you can see there, correct. This at neutral reverse, the second one is at ground reverse, and this one is open hot, this open neutral, and then the last one is open ground. Okay, we'll see. But sometimes this But sometimes with this GFI, they are very sensitive. Okay, I changed this one. I don't know, for some reason it won't reset. Maybe it's already busted. I don't have any more 20 amps, even just a regular one like this. This one is 15 amps, but I don't want to use it, so I have a regular 20 amps. That is not a GFI there, and we'll see if it's working. See, as you can see, I don't know if you can see there, these two lights, it's correct connection there. See there, check the other one there. This one, there, and this one, and you can see more there with that bulb. Check the other one, there. Okay, so it's working. This one, I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's working properly. So so that is the way you make a extension cord to last for a very long time, so if you have a heavy duty extension cord like that, and if it's broken, just fix it. See there? Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on my channel. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.